Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do yoga for tiredness. So let's begin. Finding yourself in a nice, comfortable position with your closed eyes. Your mouth gently closed. Your back upright and straight. Taking a moment to finding yourself in this now. Most of the time, we are either living in past or future. Try bring yourself in present moment at this time. And allowing your body to let go of the tiredness. Your mind and body begin to become relaxed. And as you feel this relaxation, bring that relaxation all over your body. Send to each and every part of your body and feel relaxed. And with that relaxation keeping in your body, begin to rotate your neck gently to the right, back to the left, and forward down. Doing the same rotation 3 times. Making sure that these movements are easy and gentle enough. And after 3 rounds, interclockwise. And after 3 rounds, gently rest your head for a moment and allowing the tiredness to go out of your body and feeling good. And then rotating your shoulders, releasing all the tension and tiredness from your shoulders. Five times. Staying in the present moment. Therefore, keeping eyes closed will help keep this moment counterclockwise. And gently let go. Take a long deep breath And with exhale, let go all the tightness, becoming aware how your body is feeling lighter. If you can, then go ahead and keep your eyes closed. And only listen to my instructions and follow them. Don't worry if you're doing slightly wrong movement. You can't do much wrong as soon as you're listening and following. So do not worry and let go for a moment completely. You want to worry about looking at me. Bringing your left hand onto the right knee, holding the right knee, extending your right arm up, inhale. And with exhalation, bending to the left. And feeling nice and stretched. With inhalation, back to the center. Bring this hand down, changing, bringing your right hand onto the left knee, extending your left arm up, inhale, and with exhale, bending to the right. We will repeat this 2 more times. And let go for a moment again. After that, bringing your right hand onto the back, close to the back, palm flat, holding your right knee, and then with inhalation, extending your chest up, and with exhale, twisting yourself to the right as much as you can. There is a click. Let this click come and release the tiredness from the spine. And back to the center. Repeating the same to the other side. Feeling great. Repeating one more time to both sides. Staying quiet for a while. Each time you find yourself wondering, reminding yourself to come back into the moment, the present. moment. We're going to rest into the child pose, my favorite pose. Going into the Vajrasana, sitting on the knees, opening your knees fully, bringing your hands on the ground and extending yourself completely so your spine can stretch fully, bringing your forehead on the ground and resting in this mudra. Gently lifting your head up, bringing your left hand towards the right, under the right hand, and stretching all the way. This hand is going, the right hand is going forward, and the left hand is going sideward as much as you can. Rest your head on the ground, staying in this mudra for a few moments, giving nice twist onto the upper body, to your shoulders, releasing all the tiredness from the back. Come back to the normal child pose. After a few seconds, lifting your head up, bringing your right hand under the left and extending it all the way. Come back up, back to the child pose. Sit up and lie down on your back. Let go for a moment. Allowing the relaxation to move around your body and relax each and every part of your body. And we're moving into a nice twist again, feet together, lifting your right leg up, holding your right leg with the left hand, keep your right hand on the ground, palm flat, and bringing your right leg to the left, giving nice twist into your spine, in your hips. Bring this hand up if you want, staying in this mudra for a while, feeling nice and stretched. Back to the center, changing the leg. Repeating the same to the other side. Back to the center. Bring your legs on the ground in Shavasana one more time and let go in this mudra for at least 10 minutes and relax completely. So guys, that was the yoga for tiredness. I hope that it was helpful for you. Let me know by commenting on the comment section, and I will come back with any question if you have. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.